Hi kids, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today let's learn how to draw alphabet. Color name brown color, sky blue color, magenta color, green color, yellow color, blue color, pink color, red color, orange color, black color. So let's go kids. यही है हमारा कलर बॉक्स. This is black color marker. Now I am drawing letter A. A is for apple. Now I am drawing letter B. B is for banana. Now I am drawing letter C. C is for cat. Now I am drawing letter D. D is for dog. D is for dinosaur. Now I am drawing letter E. E is for elephant. E is for elephant. Now I am drawing letter F. F is for fish. F is for fish. Now I am drawing letter G. G is for gorilla. G is for gorilla. Now I am drawing letter H. H is for hen. H is for house. So let's go kids. A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H.